Hello? 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 Oh, hey. Hey, did you know that your smart devices are listening and recording what you say? Voice recognition is undeniable proof that we live in the future, making life more convenient. But what's the downside for always on devices that constantly listen for commands? It's just that they're always listening. Always. Nearly all voice activated technology uses microphones that listen for wake words and other vocal cues. It also means companies like Apple, Facebook, and Google hear all your commands and could potentially pick up conversations if your device thinks it hears the wake word. And these devices are accidentally activated far more than you might feel. If you're uncomfortable with how much your smart device can hear in your home, hey, we don't blame you. Your smartphone alone contains cameras, a microphone, and plenty of other tools that can be misused against you. A common way for your devices that can spy on you has nothing to do with the companies that made them. Instead, this method involves tampering with your tech so it can spy on what you do and say. It's called Stalkerware. And just like what it sounds, if one of these dangerous apps is installed on your computer or your smartphone, the person behind it may already know quite a bit about you. Stalkerware apps are often marketed for parental control purposes, but these apps can be abused in the wrong hands. They generally collect your web browsing history, your text messages, and phone calls. Some can even capture what you're doing live on screen. So how can you spot them? A surge in data usage, odd charges on your bill, and other red flags or cues something is wrong. Facebook, sometimes requests access to the microphone for video chatting and text-to-speech purposes. But if you're not exactly comfortable giving Facebook control of your mic, you can turn the microphone off. If you decide to shoot video or chat with a friend later, return to these settings and enable your microphone on. Switch it off again when you're finished. As convenient as virtual assistants can be, it's common knowledge that they can pick up snippets of private conversations if you say something that sounds like the wake word. If you're worried about the privacy risks of your gadget's always on microphone, you can always turn it off. You just have to remember to turn it back on if you're going to want to use Amazon Echo, Siri, or Google Assistant. Smart home products make it easier to secure your home from intruders and trespassers, but even these devices have microphones that are built in that are always listening. You can disable audio recording on two of the most popular home security devices, Google Nest and Amazon Ring. Just again, remember to turn them back on when you want to use them and record. Many smart TVs come equipped with voice recognition. Unfortunately, this means they too can listen in. Worse still, some of the most popular smart TVs are spying on your viewing habits and sell that data. So you might want to disable them too. With your devices no longer listening, you can relax and feel a bit less paranoid about using your tech. And the best part, you can always turn the microphones back on again if you want to use them. Just make sure you're careful about what you say when they're on, and don't forget to turn them off when you're finished. We hope these tips can help you. Thanks, Kim Commando. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If there's anything that we can do to help you with your smartphones, your tablets, your PCs, your laptops, and your game systems, come see us. We're located at 802 South El Dorado in Bloomington, or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 309-807-3333. Now I'm going to go back and talk to my TV. Hi, TV. I love you.